Hi, I'm Eleanor. Today's lesson is about using the ing form. Let's find out more about what the ing form is and how we can use it. Let me tell you about some of my hobbies. I enjoy reading classic novels. Drawing is something that I like to do in my free time. Focus on the underlined words. Let's start with the first example. Where is the ing form of the verb? After the verb. Is the ing form a subject or object? Object. Let's take a look at the second example. Drawing is something that I like to do in my free time. Where is the ing form of the verb? At the beginning of the sentence. Is the ing form used as a verb or a noun? Noun. Is it the subject in the sentence? Yes. In English, we use the ing form in different ways. In the first example, we use the ing form after a verb as an object. In the second example, we use the ing form at the beginning of a sentence as a subject. The ing form is also called the gerund. What about using the ing form at the start of a sentence? Let's take a look at some more examples. Practicing the English language makes you fluent. Drawing is a good hobby. This is how the ing form is used at the start of a sentence. Take a look at the rule. Let's look at some examples. Smoking is not permitted in this area. Using technology can be a great tool for work. What about using the ing form after verbs? What other examples are there? This is how the ing form is used after a verb. Take a look. Let's look at some examples. Dave considered helping his friend. He discussed playing sport on weekends. In the two examples from before, the ing form comes after the verbs considered and discussed. However, we don't say Dave considered to help his friend. We also don't say he discussed to play sport on weekends. Some verbs can only be followed by an ing form and are not followed by the infinitive form. Consider and discuss are examples of these verbs. Enjoy, finish, and dislike are other examples of verbs that can have an ing form after the verb, but not the infinitive form. There are verbs that can be used after both the infinitive form and the ing form. Some examples include to remember, to forget, to begin, to start, to stop, to keep, and to try. Let's do some quick practice. Notice the stress. Playing sport helps people to stay healthy. Let's repeat the sentence together. Playing sport helps people to stay healthy. Let's do some more practice. Notice the stress. Using technology can be a great tool for work. Let's repeat the sentence together. Using technology can be a great tool for work. Great job, well done. Now you can use the ing form at the start of a sentence or after a verb. Today we reviewed when we use the ing form, using the ing form at the start of a sentence, using the ing form after a verb. Thank you for watching. See you later.